Welcome to this video. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about few shot prompting. Now, we have been learning about a lot of techniques, and few shot prompting is one of the techniques of prompting where an AI model learns to perform a task with just a handful of examples. This is super useful when you have limited data. Few shot prompting helps the model understand the task through contextual learning by presenting examples within the prompt. Let's start with a few examples to guide the model, and if the output isn't perfect, you can tweak the prompts or add more examples to improve accuracy. Let's see how this works with some awesome examples. One-shot prompts. One-shot prompting involves providing a single example along with the input data. Let's see it in action. Here, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 is the example, and 4 plus 4 is the input data for which we need a response. So we have told the AI model to give us a response based on an example. Let's look further. Few shot prompting lets you control the model better. Let's see how we can generate sentences for made-up words. Blorbles are mythical creatures that live in enchanted forests. An example of a sentence using the word blorbles is, the blorbles danced under the moonlight, their shimmering wings lighting up the forest. Now, we created another magical word. Snorkel is a magical tool used to find the hidden treasures. An example of a sentence using the word snorkel is, the snorkel glowed brightly, guiding the adventurer to the hidden treasure buried beneath the ancient oak tree. Now, what we try to do here is that we let the model generate a sentence for another made-up word, snorkel. Next, we can also classify customer reviews into positive or negative sentiments using few shot prompting. Over here, I'm giving a pattern of the reviews of product, movie, food, service, and concert. Now you can see that I am not giving any sort of sentiment at the end whether the review experience is negative or positive. I leave up to the model to decide based on the input that I am providing. Now you can see that my output says that it's a positive review because the concert was absolutely mind-blowing. So by providing examples, we guide the model to classify the input based on the sentiment of the examples provided. While few shot prompting is powerful, it is not without its challenges. So here are some limitations to keep in mind. The model might struggle with new or unusual examples because it relies heavily on the provided examples. It can introduce biases if the examples are not representative. Few shot prompting works best for simpler tasks. For complex tasks requiring deep understanding or multi-step reasoning, more examples or a different approach might be needed. With limited examples, the model might not explore a wide range of possibilities, leading to less variety and creativity in responses. Few shot prompting might not fully grasp the context or nuances of the task, resulting in less accurate or appropriate responses. Now, few shot prompting is a fantastic technique for training AI models with limited examples. It's perfect for quick adaptations and tasks with limited data. However, we have to be mindful of its limitations and ensure whether it's suitable for our specific task or not. Hope this video made sense. I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep learning and of course, keep practicing.